Oh, hi there. Well, all this work at home requires the use of a LED light which does not disturb others in the room. And also students studying at home will also appreciate this product that I'll be reviewing today. It is the MI USB LED light. What are we waiting for then? Let's get started. Let's discuss some of the features of this MI USB LED light now. It is lightweight and has a compact design. It can work as a portable, inexpensive LED lamp by combining it with a power bank. This makes it fit for use in travel. It offers 5 levels of brightness as per your needs. It does not hurt eyes like the other USB LED lights because of the smart combination of the LED chip and phosphor that simulates natural light. The LED light has a bendable design, so you can bend it as per your requirement. It is very useful during power cuts. It can be used as a night light as well. It can be used for a laptop that does not have a backlit keyboard. This MI USB LED light has its own on-off switch. So you can long press to turn it off and you can short press to turn it on or switch the levels of brightness. It requires 5 volts of input and it works with powered USB port of any kind or a power bank. It consumes 2.5 watts at maximum brightness. Its brightness goes up to 135 lumens. The color tone of this LED light is warm white, so it is kind of yellow color just like your sunlight. After 8 months of use, I can definitely say that the MI USB LED light is a good quality durable product. It has a sophisticated look. It is suitable replacement for bulky emergency lamps. It requires zero maintenance. It is available in 2 colors, blue and white. It is now selling on MI website for rupees 249 plus rupees 50 shipping charges. If you like the product, I will also leave a link for you in the video description or pinned comment so you can go ahead and buy this product. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such useful videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.